What's going on YouTube? Uberman here. Quick video. I just bought another flip car from Copart yesterday. I picked up this 2006 Chevrolet HHR for an even $1,300. This is a flood car from Texas. And as you can see, I've already got the plates done. In fact, I got all that done yesterday. Got the tags done. The title is reconstructed. It's no longer salvage. It is rebuilt. And a lot of people had a lot of questions saying, oh, you're a scammer, this and that. You don't understand Oklahoma laws, all right? Oklahoma, you don't have to do anything to rebuild it. Simply drive it to the nearest tag agency, pay them 20 bucks, and it's rebuilt. Now, this was, again, a flood car. And I know those can be tricky, and those can be risky. But with 82,000 miles on the clock, I decided to take a chance. And I'm here to tell you, Copart had this listed as a starting car, a car that started but would not drive, or they did not try to drive it. I'm telling you, I went down to Copart, gave it a jump start, fired right up, and I drove it home. Took it straight to the tag agency, got the tag and title done. It's insured. It's legit. I'm driving it as my daily driver. 82,000 miles. Everything works. Everything. Leather interior. Both front seats are heated. Beautiful, beautiful car. And I had to replace the battery. The battery was completely shot. It was the factory battery, which was 12 years old. All right. And this has the premium sound system too. It's got the Pioneer subwoofer. This thing hits hard. So I had to tear all this out yesterday to get to the battery, which is down at the very bottom, and that's where you would expect to find flood damage. That's where you'd expect to find soot, grit, nastiness. I tore all the way down to bare metal. I even pulled the carpet out up front, pulled it out from the firewall and looked under it. Nothing. There's no mold, no moisture, no mildew, nothing. So I don't know what kind of a flood this thing was in, but man, she's in excellent shape. Does need some mechanical attention. But I mean, look at this. Just a beautiful, beautiful car. Go show you the odometer real quick. As you can see, it's running. No check lights, no check engine, no ABS, no nothing. And yes, they all work. Turn the ignition on, everything comes on. Fires right up. All four windows work. Heated seats both work. Air conditioning works, heat works. Aftermarket JVC Bluetooth. The Bluetooth does work and hands-free calling. Pandora, all that junk. Mirror. Auto-dimming mirror works, compass works, sunroof works like it should. Both directions. I mean, literally everything on this car works. Cruise control, tilt, power windows, power locks, all of them, all the door handles, everything functions exactly as it should. Heat gets nice and hot. As far as mechanical repairs, I put a battery in it, which was $119. A common issue with Cobalts and HHRs are the control arms. The main control arm bushing rips, and then that can cause a little bit of a problem. When you're braking, when you hit the brake, you can feel the steering wheel, and it's not the calipers. It's literally, I'm a mechanic. I knew as soon as I felt it that there was a control arm issue. Climbed underneath it. Sure enough, the bushing on both passenger and driver's side control arms are ripped. So I ordered a set of control arms, brand new, for 60 bucks with new ball joints. It does squeak going over bumps. That's another common problem. Front suspension issues on Cobalts and HHRs are very common. So I upgraded to Energy suspension sway bar bushings, greasable. And I upgraded to Moog sway bar in links. That'll solve the squeaking and the clunking. And yeah, The control arms will fix that issue that I'm having. And I'm telling you, even with the ripped bushings on the control arms, this thing drives smooth. You can get up to 60, 70 miles an hour, set this cruise control right here, and off you go. So there it is. There's 5 minutes telling you about my car. Again, it's an 06 HHR. The body's in very good condition. I mean, keep in mind the car is, what is it, 12 years old. It runs good, it drives good. Got the little fuel-efficient Ecotech. The only real body damage is right here on this front bumper. There's a couple tiny dings, nothing really worth mentioning, but you've got a door ding right there, obviously. You got another ding right here. And I think we got a scrape over here. Little ding right here. Like I said, for a car that I paid $1,300 for, obviously it's a little scuffed up back here where luggage and groceries are taken in and out. But other than that, interior is excellent. Everything on this car is just, I almost want to keep it, you know? That's the problem I have. Oh, forgot that. Right here, got a ding, a pretty decent ding right here. Nothing too bad, but worth noting. For $1,300 bucks, come on, man. This is unbelievable. Hell of a deal. So this is car number 2 that I got a great deal on from Copart. 2 cars, 2 weeks. And I am going to list this one for $3,500. And I've sold cars long enough, I know what I'll get out of it. I'll probably get 35, but if I don't, I'll get 32 to 33. And if not, well, I'll keep this. I'll sell that damn Cruise of mine. And that's just how that's going to go. Very happy with the purchase, guys. Copart, another salvage car. This is my first flood car. I've been wanting to get a flood car for a while. I wanted to experiment with a flood vehicle. That's kind of been like a little dream of mine. And here we go. I got it. I'm happy. And, you know, we'll do an update video when it's either ready to sell or after it sells. Thank you all for watching. As always, like, comment, subscribe, stay safe out there. Uber and Lyft on.